Hi there, this is Mark Stokes Denson of Denson Blake Investments, and I wanted to just give you a quick heads up on something which has baffled me for a little while. YouTube keeps changing, or has changed recently, reasonably recently, and it's the unlisted videos or private videos which I couldn't seem to find. I wanted to show you. Obviously, you log in to your account and you come up with the videos that are public. You can see all those. And it was the unlisted that I was confused about. There used to be an element in here called Creator Studio or something. It's now YouTube Studio, which is obviously being beta tested. And it was in here where I found all the unlisted videos. And I'm sure I'm not going to be the only one that struggled with this. So when I click the videos part here, I was able to come across all the videos that I wanted. So they're all here, which is handy. So I wanted to just share that with you. I'm sure I'm not the only one who struggled with that a little bit. So just in case you're wondering where have my private unlisted videos gone, that's where to find them and create the links you need. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. We use this for operations manual in the main, for our database system and how we communicate with people. I know because we've systemised property investing to create really incredible and unique opportunity for people. So we've got a pilot going on at the moment with someone, and hopefully open this up as a franchise and a system for people to share and create wealth together. So anyway, I want to just share that with you. I use this for my operations manual in part, and show people how I do what I do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that's been useful, and take care.